going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to take a look at this unique little wireless mouse, the SLEC NC19 silent click mouse. So this mouse comes in two variants, the NC19 and the NC18. It's basically similar to each other, but the NC19 feature an overall slimmer grip which is better for smaller hands. The packaging is fairly simple with the SLEC branding, and inside the packaging will include the mouse itself and a USB dongle. This mouse is juiced up by a AAA battery, meanwhile for the NC18 it is using a AA battery. This mouse is a great option for those who likes portability and convenience since it's lightweight, easy to carry, and fits a lot of different hand sizes. By using this mouse, it won't bother people around you as it has this new silent click technology, which means every click will be completely silent. This mouse gives out a pretty accurate tracking which is usable for light gaming such as Fortnite and CSGO, and it is an absolutely perfect mouse for productivity work. Overall, I would like to give this mouse a rating of 80 out of 100 since it still lacks some handy features such as a side programmable button, a textured grip, and a plastic build quality. But considering the price, it will be worth it at last. So if you guys are interested in picking one up, I'll leave a link down below to the SLEC official store where you can purchase this mouse for under $10. Yeah. Well, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.